Hello, welcome back to First Step. In this video, I am going to show you few activities for kindergarten kids or preschoolers. First activity is sorting. Let me explain what is sorting. We can do sorting with different objects. Here I am going to show you with popsicles and colored sheets. Kids can identify the color and to sort them like this. This activity helps to develop their concentration, memory, learning about colors, etc. Next activity is pouring. For pouring activity, we can need two glasses. One glass is filled with water and other glass will be empty. Here I am taking colored water. No need of colored water. Plain water or normal water is enough. So for this activity, kids can hold the glass carefully and they have to pour like this. This activity is called pouring and this process can be continued like this. For pouring activity, parents' presence are needed. This activity helps to develop their hand movements with what they are seeing and feeling. Next activity is matching. We can do matching with numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So kids have to identify the number and they have to match like this. This is number 1. So put number 1 here. This is number 2. Put number 2 here. Then this is number 3 and put number 3 here. 4. This is number 4 and 5. Put 5 here. This activity is called matching with numbers. Matching activities are a great activity to develop their brain development and problem solving. So these are the activities for preschoolers: sorting, pouring and matching. These activities are very useful for kids. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you on next time. Bye. Thank you.